that case, then let's just come. Okay, now we have just again a small topic to cover, which is type of operator. You people might have heard about it or might be new to this. Let's talk about it. Again, this often gets tested in your MCQs, right? Type of operator. It says it in JavaScript, it's an operator used for type checking. It will tell you the data type of the value. But please pay attention to what does it do. It is used for type checking and it returns a string. So output of type of operator is going to be a string. But what that string will be, that string will tell you the data type of the expression written in front of it. So what it will do, have a look over here. Type of operator. I'll bring it up so that all of us can see. If I'm going to write console.log of type of, say, 32. 32 is belonging to which data type? All of us. 32 belongs to which data type? The number data type. So this type of is going to return you a string, and that string will tell you the data type, right? Let me take quick examples, 2 or more here, so that we can be clear of it. This time, let me pass here hello. Now, again, it will return me a string mentioning the data type. If I'm going to have it again for a Boolean value, say false, what it will return? A string saying output as Boolean. So what does this type of operator do? 2 points you need to remember. It's used for type checking and it returns output as a string. That string indicates the data type. Are we clear with this? Everyone? But do you people think this is the type of questions you will see in your MCQs? Right? No. So basically in that case, 3A, it's gonna be text, right, Manish? We cannot enclose it. A, we cannot write. So it will be written in quotes only. Now think about it. These straightforward questions are not going to be there in your questionnaire. So then what it would be there? Something like this. Just answer this as per your understanding, guys. Type of 45. Tell me what output it will return. Just tell me the output. String, number, string, number, string, 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 number. Okay. That is how they confuse you, people. That is how they confuse you. You know it, but you are mistaken. The right output is going to be a string. But ma'am, how? So please pay attention. What would be the outcome of this part? Type of 45. Type of 45 will return me a string which will say number. Do you people agree with this? It will return me a string, but that is going to say number. And this is something I'm feeding to another type of, right? The first type of I have. So what output it will return to us in that case? Type of something written in string is always going to indicate a string. So it's going to tell you a string, and there's a golden tip you people need to remember. Whenever you see more than one type of operator being used, whenever there is more than one type of operator being used, output is always going to be string. It is always going to be string. Does that make sense to all of us? How it's string? Everyone whosoever said number? We just often forget this part, guys, that it is returning us a string, right? We feel like, oh, number we'll feed, what it will return, number. No, it is returning us a string, which then indicates the data type. So we have to remember this point over here. Is everyone clear with type of? That's the topic we would like to cover, a small one in between. Okay.